So pulled out the distributor, and there's a decent bit of rust in there. I was going to switch out the springs and go with a heavier to slow down the advancement of timing due to the low load stumble at temperature, which I think is probably more of a timing than carburation issue. But with all this rust, we're going to go ahead and replace the distributor first and then move on from there. You see the giant difference here between the new. I've taken the springs off. It comes with the silver heavies. I pulled those off. There's little bushings go under the outer post of the weight there, if I can get that to, there you go. And it already has the correct bushing, which is the blue. There you go. If I can get it to, again, to focus, you can see blue bushing's good. So I'm going to switch it out to the blue springs, which is what came from the Shelby engines. Then we will replace it, set it, and fire it up.